Hello everyone, welcome to 11.9 Algebra, Apply Volume Formulas. The essential question is, how can you find the volume of the Actually, I don't think that's the essential question. The essential question is going to be something different. It's going to be, because that was last lesson's essential question. It's going to be, how can you use a formula to find volume of a rectangular prism? So how can you use a formula to find the volume of a rectangular prism? And the formula that we're talking about is the one that we've talked about in the previous lessons, which is V equals L times W times H, which is volume equals length times width times height. And because of the commutative property, the order doesn't really matter. So if you just want to multiply all three together, you're going to get the same answer regardless, okay? And also remember that it's going to be in units cubed. So if it's centimeters cubed, or cubic centimeters, or inches cubed, feet cubed, that kind of stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with the first example. There's only two examples today, okay? The first is, so we have to find the volume. Volume is length times width times height. The length is 10, the width is 3, and the height is 5, okay? So I'm going to multiply 3 times 5 first, because to me that seems to be the easiest ones. I know 3 times 5 is 15. Then I'm going to do 10 times 15, and I know I just need to add a 0 to it, right? So add a 0 to 15, and that gets me 150. And so 150 is your answer. Okay, so remember, this is the formula you need to write every time, and you need to know it. Volume equals length times width times height. So, is this my final answer? No, because I still have to put centimeters cubed. And now I have my final answer. Okay, 150 centimeters cubed. All right, let's go ahead and do the second problem. Remember, volume equals length times width times height. Write that down every time you do this. Volume equals, the length is 3, the width is 2, and the height is 7. So I'm going to do 3 times 2 first, okay? Because to me, I know 3 times 2 is 6, and then do 6 times 7. And I know 6 times 7 is 42. That's going to be 42 inches cubed, or cubic inches. And that's my final answer. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Just remember the volume formula, V equals length times width times height. The order does not matter, and whenever you have as your answer, it's going to be in the units cubed. Okay, so if it's centimeters cubed, inches cubed. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you write them down, and we'll see you next time.